Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be welcome to my first kettle cook video. Today I'm going to try and do some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I got from Costco. This is what they look like. It's they're all bagged in there and individually sealed, so I defrosted them. And I just bought a new Kingsford Kettle 22.5-inch grill, and we're gonna cook them up.
Action.
Alright guys, so here's the chicken breasts. They're already defrosted and you know, basically ready for seasoning right now. Today we're going to be using a seasoning called barbecue rub from Stubbs. I just got this from the Canadian Superstore. So this is what the package looks like. There we go. Yeah, that's what it looks like right there, and it's just a barbecue seasoning. And we're going to put that all over the chicken breasts and then maybe let them sit for about an hour. Seasoning on, we're going to pat dry all the chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. And now, with my help of my great assistant, we're going to start seasoning the chicken breasts.
Like everyone?
Yeah, start sprinkling it on. Leave one empty for you, because you don't like seasoning. So pick one and leave it empty. Leave that one empty, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, sprinkle it on the rest. Start over. 3, 2, 1, action.
I don't really like the seasoning, so I'm gonna use salt. But you can use whatever you like at home.
Alright, so we're outside here and we're getting ready to use our new Kingsford charcoal kettle grill. It's 22.5-inch wide, and this is it. This is how it looks. And so we're going to start up the charcoal right now. I got like a little fire cloth, I guess, to start her up. And we're going to start to preheat her coals. So let's take out this grill.
I'll be right back.
We'll make a little mound around that. Get our starter up there.
I love charcoal.
Once we get this built up, we'll build like a little pyramid around it.
Jake was like, ooh, what's
Start getting the...
Put it over. When?
Okay, so now we have them all set up, and we're gonna let those get all kind of ashed over, and then we'll get ready to cook the chicken. Now we're gonna move, I've already moved the charcoal over to one side. The grill's at about 350, and we're gonna move the chicken on the grill now.
It's grilling time. Ew, that's north. Okay, I'm good. It's my turn. You did half of them. It's grilling time.
And we're gonna add a little bit of wood pellets, just to add some smoky flavor. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but there we go. We'll see you in about 20 minutes.
Yeah. Smell like my smell.
We'll see you. Well, there's the final product, folks. So just came off the smoker. Took about 40 minutes maybe. And let's cut into it and take a look. There you go. Looks good to me. Alright, time to dig in. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and follow along. Thanks a lot.